Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. In this video, I want to show you how to prepare the Japanese style curry. I've explained how to prepare curry in other videos, but the Japanese curry is different. It is not that spicy, and on top of that, it involves a number of very unique ingredients: tonkatsu sauce, ketchup, and apple. Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video, and more information by following the link to the blog post. Slice the onion. The onions should be cut into thin slices so that they can caramelize quickly. One of the most important aspects of making Japanese curry is to saute the onion until they are caramelized, which will take about 15 minutes. When the onion starts to caramelize, keep stirring to avoid it from getting burned. Once it is done, remove and set aside. Cut the carrot into bite-sized wedges. Cut the potato to bite-sized pieces too. Chicken, beef, pork are all suitable for cooking Japanese curry. I'm using chicken thigh meat in this recipe. You can always substitute it with chicken breast meat. I prefer to marinate the chicken with some salt. Although this is not a typical way in preparing the Japanese curry, I find that marinated meat can enhance the flavor substantially. Since the meat is in bite size, marinate for half an hour should be enough. Next, pan fry the chicken with a little bit of oil. Pan fry the chicken until it turns slightly brown. It will add another layer of flavor, which will not happen if you just simmer the chicken alone. Put the caramelized onion into the pot, the carrot, potato, and water. Wait for a while until it starts boiling. Let's prepare 3 very special ingredients for Japanese curry. The first one, apple. This is the Fuji apple. Peel off the skin and shred the apple by using a grater. Add the apple to the curry. And a tablespoon of ketchup. If you don't have ketchup, substitute with a tomato puree or tomato paste. And 1.5 tablespoons of tonkatsu sauce. Okay. After 15 minutes, add the chicken. After you add the chicken, simmer for another 15 minutes. Then we will move on to adding the roux to thicken the curry. If you use beef, you have to simmer longer until the beef is tender. We can proceed to cook the curry by using 2 different ways. So, I will divide this curry into 2 pots and I show you both ways. To prepare the curry by using the store-bought curry cubes, Japanese curry cubes, which contains the roux that to thicken the curry and also the curry powder. So put this into the pot of curry. Put the curry cubes into the curry so it looks like this. Break it up and let it simmer for a few minutes until the curry cubes is fully dissolved. Since we have marinated the chicken and the curry cubes also contain some salt, so it is better to do a taste test at this point of time. The saltiness is already enough, and I will just leave it this way. So now I will proceed to the second method to show you how to do it without using the store-bought curry cubes. The second method is to prepare the roux from scratch. So here we have some butter, about 30 grams, and I want to add an equal amount of flour into the butter. So it is also about 30 grams. Just like making brown sauce, combine the butter and the flour in the pan over low heat slowly until it turns color. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring over low heat, and you will notice the color gradually change to brown. It may take about 10 to 15 minutes. Be patient and do not use high heat, as butter can burn easily. So once you get the desirable color, then we'll add the curry powder to it. This is the Japanese curry powder. If you can't find it, you can substitute with garam masala from the Indian shop. Add about 2 tablespoons of this to the roux to form a paste. You can add a little bit more if you want it to become more spicy. Mix it well. Now it resembles to the texture of the curry cube that you can get it from the supermarket. Look at it. Keep the curry powder over low heat for about a minute to bring out the flavor. Transfer the roux to the curry and mix well. I also like to add a little bit of chili powder, as I like hot and spicy. Also a tablespoon of sugar. After simmering for another few minutes, certainly we need to do a taste test. It is not salty enough, so I'll add some extra salt. And I prefer to add a little bit more of curry powder to enhance the flavor. Now let's try again. Now it's perfect. We add the frozen peas. Bring it to a boil and then serve. This is how I prepare Japanese curry. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to follow this channel by clicking the subscription button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.